What's happening, YouTube? I got a nice one today. Got a 2008 Triumph 675 triple. Gonna be doing both wheels today. So somebody put this back tire on backwards, whoever did it before. So I'm not sure. Got a little damage on it, but I'm sure there's nothing they can't fix. But anyways, I'll show you how you guys put it on. Oh, we're putting the Michelin RS's on there. Power RS's. Great tire. I had them on my S1000RR at one time, tracked them, and they ran real well. So let's get started on this, alright? We're going to start with the back tire. I'm using a 1-inch 1/16 socket, the axle. Do is kind of hit the wheel. If the block doesn't want to come out, hit the wheel as you pull on it. Try this way. There we go. Slide the axle out. Roll the wheel forward. Chain off gently, sit it off to the side, and let's do the other side. Let's show the caliper. Now the caliper, kind of roll the wheel back, not all the way to where you hit it. Lift the caliper off. There's a little slot that the caliper bracket goes in. Take your spacer out. Drive hub. The rubber isolators, which are attached. That's it. Let's go to the front. First thing we're gonna do: take a 6mm Allen head. Loosen up the, you have to take them out, loosen up the axle clamps, pinch bolts, just get them loose. Now you're going to need a special axle tool, front axle tool, unless you got a 17mm Allen, that'll work too. Jeez. Work on this bike. Too hard. There we go. This actually threads into the other fork. Okay, just gonna leave that there for right now. And we're gonna take an 8mm Allen. Fancy electric ratchet. Zip them out now. Take your caliper, slide it back, not all the way. You want to twist it on the rotor to open the pads up. You can't just slide the caliper straight back, or you'll fall. Try again. Can't just slide it back, you'll hit the wheel. You gotta roll it out, kind of open the pads and then roll the caliper out. I'll do the same to the other side. All I gotta do is slide this axle out and I'm good, and then I'll come back and show you how to put the wheels back on, alright? Now, let's put the wheels on. You get a spacer on each side. Now, they might be the same size on this bike, may not be, but I usually put them on the side that I took them off of. So, caliper's kind of hanging in the way. Lift it up. Make sure my spacer's gonna stay. This one's trying to pop out. There we go. Stab our axle through it. Start with the outer one. They don't have to be super tight. Snug it down. Go to the inside one. Snug it down. Go back to the outer one. Snug it down the same. That's it. Now, grab our caliper bolts and our 8mm. He's going to need brake pads here soon. So, get these bolts started. Not that tight. That tight. Just gotta do the other one. Pump the brakes up, spin the wheel, make sure everything's good. And let's go to the back. Now for the rear. First thing we're gonna do is take our isolators. Install them in the wheel. There's a spacer right here. You need to make sure that's in there. Inside your drive hook. Wiggle it in place sometimes. Need some persuasion. Rubber mallet. Now make sure that's flush in there. Our spacer back in. Caliper inside the wheel, get the rotor started. Make sure the tab is in the slot. Oh, I'm messing up already. Forgot my spacer. Get that in there. Wheel's a little crooked. There we go. Yeah, make sure your spacer's going in on both sides. Good. Pull it forward extra. Let's go to the other side. Now we're going to put our chain on. Start on the top. Work your way down. You can't get it all the way. Sometimes you can spin the wheel and finish it up. Now, grab your axle. Get it stuff started lining up. Stick it in. Give it a little persuasion. Like that's with the rubber mallet. What'll do. Line up your adjustment block to go into the slot of the swing arm. Put this adjustment block in. There we go. Your washer, your nut. Make sure your wheel's all the way forward. Chain's a little loose, but sometimes it'll tighten up. See if it tightens up when you tighten the axle down. Some bikes like to do that. It's already tightened up. There we go. Spin our wheel, pump up our brakes, take it out for a spin. This guy either needs a new chain or needs a really good cleaning. But brake pads on the side, on the back look good though. That's it. There you go, guys. A 2008 Triumph 675 triple, front and rear. Remove and install them. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any comments, criticisms, all that good stuff. Maybe you saw something that I didn't, or or you got questions on how or why I did something. Feel free to comment down below, and also subscribe if you want to see more of these. Do it yourself. Take your wheels off, put them back on. I'm trying to get as many bikes in as possible. Trying to come out regularly, but just stay tuned, and I'll see you guys next time. All right, adios.